Hey, traders, welcome out to the options report. This is Tyler signing in. So, wonderful close to the market on Friday. I am leaning cautiously optimistic here. I know we've been in this range forever, and we've had a lot of false moves higher and lower. But this week has me looking up for just being more bullish going into next week for a couple of reasons. Here's my list. All right, consider these 3 or 4 or 5 reasons why buyers have the upper hand here. Number one, NASDAQ broke back above the 50-day moving average today. I'm cutting this on Friday, and for the first time in a long time. And so that's promising. Apple broke out to an all-time high, largest stock in the entire stock market, and had really good follow-through on Friday. There was some news that came out that Warren Buffett was buying 75 million additional shares in Apple. And anytime the Oracle Omaha scoops up shares of a company, everybody gets excited. So you're seeing good leadership out of tech. You also saw a really nice false breakdown or bear trap in financial stocks. They looked atrocious on Thursday, had a nice recovery into the close, and followed through to the upside on Friday. False breakdowns are also known as bear traps. Anybody who got suckered in shorting financials are now losing money, and that adds fuel to the fire. They're all now potential buyers as the thing squeezes higher. So we got leadership from tech, a nice false breakdown in financials. What else? Oh, Friday, trading-wise, was one of the best days I've had in a long time because we had so many bullish trades working. I take that as a positive omen. The final thing is, it's not just a stock market, it's also a market of stocks. And so when you look through a big watch list of a lot of different stocks, you can get a sense of how bullish or bearish the market is by the number of quality setups you find. And you'll discover down below that we've got a ton of bull setups going into next week, and I could only find 2 bearish setups that were worth mentioning. So if we take that as a sign of things to come, that's why I'm leaning optimistic. The only caveat here is that the S&P is still needing to break above some resistance levels. So that is same thing with the Dow. So the S&P and the Dow need to get their act together. But I like the action overall this week, and so we'll see if we can get some follow the next week. All right, on to the write-up. We'll see you guys in a minute.